Let's build a machine learning application on 5Serum platform. Before we do that, let me give a spoiler alert of what we are going to build. A deep learning application to identify emotions and characters in a friend's video. These kind of applications are used by OTT provider to tag content data at scale. Now let me show you the creation process of this application. So let's see how we can build and deploy such application. It begins with answering a few questions: how to acquire data, frequency of training, expected prediction latency, and a few more. Essentially trying to identify the nature of problem we are trying to solve so that we can provide useful recommendation. This essentially helps us populate the workspace with useful recommendation on everything from machine learning pipeline, deployment workflows, corresponding streaming pipeline which can be added for real-time prediction, and many more relevant reusable building blocks to build a full-stack AI application. Also, the user can go to the exploration view to identify other relevant reusable elements to build this application. To start off, we would need to go to the tagging tool to create training data. We can use inbuilt tools to create training data, be it for images, audios, and many other formats available. And now we can use a recommended pipeline to train our data tagged. User can view these pipelines in the 5Serum Studio. And with dozens of integrations available, 5Serum Studio lets user connect to any source of data, no matter the source, size, or the format. With hundreds of features on collecting, transforming, and training machine learning models, building model is as easy as drag and drop, leveraging common ML frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, Keras, and many more. After training, 5Serum will help you identify the best predictive model for your data. Looking at a couple of graphs that we can see here. And 5Serum is not just for prototyping, it's essentially about deploying models for end users. 5Serum condenses the deployment time of a model from months to minutes. And in a few clicks, we can deploy a model in a serverless fashion. And not only that, we can combine service with a real-time streaming pipeline to build real-time ML. Here, we can combine a streaming pipeline with a couple of ML services that we have built, dump the prediction to Kafka topics, and this workflow that we are building now essentially becomes the backend for its companion business application that we saw in the beginning. So we have video to frames here going to face recognition, which dumps to two Kafka topics, and this becomes the basis of the business application that we saw. So this was the video that you're looking at. This is a video, the frames of the videos are being streamed. And if you look at those two models, the prediction of those are shown over here. And not only that, our users have built similar application for brand visibility analytics using logo detection models. So this is essentially user brand to see for how much time their particular logo was seen in a video. And similarly, it is not limited to deep learning. Similarly, marketing analysts have built application for retention workflow, which can be used to collect exit survey data and build retargeting service. And they have built customer churn model without having to rely on IT for all the heavy lifting. So this essentially helped them identify what are the metrics for the exit survey and used to build deep learning model using the same drag and drop platform. And the platform is not limited to this. We have features stored for reusable data engineering pipeline, which can be used across teams and projects to reduce training times. Also, a developer environment to provide smooth coding experience to data scientists with all the proprietary deep learning libraries pre-installed. And also a cluster management panel for Kubeflow, Spark, and various other custom applications, which can be installed with a few clicks. And all of this can be done without leaving the 5Serum interface. And that's what 5Serum is about. It's about bringing technology, data, and people together, no matter their level of expertise. Thank you.